So today we're going to be painting my favorite little bird feeder with our Mama's Fridge color, which is a nice blue. We're gonna paint the base in these little birds here. So we're gonna stir the paint. You wanna stir it, you don't wanna waste too much paint, so just pour as little as you think you need for your project. You want to add water either to your piece or directly to your paint because the paint's a concentrate. Just using some of the natural texture to the piece, just wiping back to reveal some of that texture. It just makes it look a lot more natural, I think, when you just I just like the look of aged or rustic. So now our paint has dried on our piece and we're gonna go back and seal it.